are here in Malecón, Puerto Vallarta.
Today, as we walk down the Malecon/boardwalk, we'll take a look at some of the many sculptures and activities you can do from the evening into the night. So we're out here now. We're out by the pole. These guys do a performance every so often. It's also right by these rocks. I came here the other day, came out here and did a live 2 days ago. And I talked with the guy that actually makes these rocks. You know, he sleeps right under there. So we donated a little bit to his cause and everything. We saw him doing it. He was doing it while we were talking to him. And the rock he had to be at least 80 pounds that he was holding, and he was putting it up there, and so we saw it live in act, him balancing these rocks. But here's some of the smaller ones. Bigger ones over there. When I was with him yesterday or the day before, he was doing one of the big ones. It wasn't these small ones he was doing. And you can see why he lost his toe.
Yeah.
That's him right there. Yeah. ¿Cómo está?
Hola, bien, bien.
Bien, bien. Amigo. So yeah, we're back out here with the artist, the rock artist, and he's doing his thing.
Well,
So,
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I would stand back from the rock just in case they do fall. You don't get clipped by it. Yep.
¿Hace cuánto tiempo que haces esto?
Ya tengo 8 años.
8 años.
8 años haciéndolo. Es equilibrio, balance, concentración y mucha paciencia. Yes, maybe 6 minutes.
6 minutes?
Entre 6 minutes a 4 minutes. Balance.
Approximately. You see this one right here. This one is about 6 feet tall. Yeah, if you go from bottom to top, 6 feet tall. That rock right there is at least 60 pounds. Oh yeah, like look at it, about to get another one. Got to be careful not to knock over one as we go by. like a joke, right? It looked like you would think, oh no, that ain't nothing, it's just some rocks standing up. Nah, bro. All right, let's might as well take off, start heading back down there. Much more interesting when you see it get made.
Yeah.
That's the rock maker there.
She and her friends thought that they had something inside, like a stick or something.
Yeah.
And now she just saw that it's real, that he did it and he's not using anything.
Yeah, the lady right there.
Yeah.
In the blue dress. She thought it was a game. Nah, it ain't no game. These guys doing their thing up there.
Pero nomás porque lo veo. ¿Cómo puso las tres? Las cargó.
Dang, saw some serious lightning back there. So we made it out of the rain. It was it started off a little slow, a little light, and then it just got thick real quick. So
We just made it under a tree and then we just went
yeah, so we made it in this place, which is Oyster Grill. We can't just freeload, so we ordering something, some drinks, and what'd you get to eat? What'd you order?
Also burger, but
Okay.
the vegetarian.
Vegetarian burger, and I got the cheeseburger. No vegetarian here, so we'll see how it is and let you know. Drink I like to get type of water I like to get right there. And she got a non-alcoholic pina colada.
I don't know how I'm going to. We have very tasty too.
Yeah? You said it's hot?
It burned my tongue. Yeah, but the flavor is good.
Yeah.
And you can feel the cheese is really melting.
Okay.
And I really like that they put, I don't like white onion, but they had this red onion.
But make sure you watch out for these coconut trees out here. You never know. Huh?
Caballito.
Caballitos. Okay. You got the kids out here at night. They enjoying themselves. Let's head up to the church. We can walk through here and see what they got. Okay, yeah, we could probably got better stuff here. Tacos and stuff like that. Hola. Buenas noches. Guaraches? Okay. I never heard of that. Okay. That's different. So this is what is this? This is like the city square or?
Yeah, well, this is, you can always call this like a kiosk and a plaza.
Okay, the plaza.
Yeah. Food selling.
Crepes. Yeah, they're making crepes right there. Let's
Los letreros son uniformes. Ya esos letreros casi no.
So they're here. I got the gist that they're here every weekend.
For every day is a different color.
Oh, okay. Every day is a different color.
They're here from Thursday to Sunday.
Okay, cool. Get you like this. Let me see. Like that. Nice. Alright, so now we're in this blue light zone, still on the Malecon, and it's like these blue lights they got above. It's kind of cool, but it's I guess still got some vendors out here on this part of it. And the ocean's right back there, just so you know. Can't see it now because it's dark, but it's pretty. Got a good amount of vendors out here. These, all that, some hot dogs, all that stuff. You know, they got it all. I guess this is a unique thing to this area here is the strawberry cups dessert. But to tell you the truth, it doesn't look that. It just looks like strawberries with whipped cream. Anybody can do that.
Yeah, no, but it's just that it shows you how you can change so much in the same country.
Yeah.
Like you don't find that in Cancun or even in the Gulf of Mexico, but you find that in the Pacific side.
Got this guy here.
Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis.
Yeah, so you got all that going on at night. You know, you've been around Mexico, you see those type of statues or guys posing in statues and doing little acts. All right, yeah, so that was it for the Malecon. Hey, how's it going? I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, thanks for sticking to the end. If you like that video, go ahead and check out one of my other ones right here, and thanks for coming by.